Do your joints feel more swollen and painful on some days than others? You might be surprised to learn that what you eat can make a very big difference. Certain everyday foods quietly trigger inflammation inside your body, and that inflammation is what makes your joints ache and stiffen. Today I am sharing 5 foods worth avoiding, so you can start feeling noticeably better from the inside out. The first food to avoid is white sugar and sugary drinks. An elderly woman reading the label on a bottle of soda shows how hidden sugar is everywhere. Sugar triggers a powerful inflammatory response throughout the entire body, and your joints feel it directly. A senior man pushing away a plate of cookies and choosing a bowl of fresh berries instead shows a simple, positive swap you can make today. Replacing sweet drinks with a tall glass of water with lemon is one of the kindest things you can do for your aching joints. The second food to limit is white bread and refined flour products. An old woman standing in a kitchen holding a loaf of white bread shows how common this food is in most households. Refined grains break down quickly into sugar in your bloodstream, feeding the same inflammation that makes joints stiff and sore every morning. A senior woman smiling while choosing a loaf of whole grain bread instead shows how easy this swap really is. Your joints will thank you within just a few days of making this change. The third food to watch is fried food. An elderly man looking at a plate of fried chicken shows a food that many seniors grew up eating regularly. Fried foods are cooked in oils that produce harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, which directly irritate joint tissue. A senior couple choosing baked salmon and steamed vegetables for dinner instead shows a delicious and healing alternative. Baking, steaming, or lightly sautéing your food makes a remarkable difference for joint comfort over time. The fourth item to reduce is processed and packaged snack foods. An old woman sitting at a kitchen table and opening a bag of chips shows how easy it is to reach for these convenient foods. Packaged snacks are loaded with artificial additives, unhealthy fats, and hidden sodium, all of which promote swelling in the joints. A senior woman smiling and snacking on a small handful of walnuts and sliced apple instead shows a genuinely satisfying and joint-friendly choice. Keep healthy snacks visible and within easy reach. The fifth food to limit is alcohol. A senior man sitting in a comfortable chair and choosing a glass of cold water over a glass of wine shows real wisdom and self-care. Alcohol interferes with the body's natural ability to reduce inflammation and can worsen joint pain significantly. A senior woman drinking a warm cup of herbal tea in peaceful morning sunlight shows a soothing and healing alternative. Small changes in what you drink add up to big relief for your whole body. You have just learned something truly powerful today. An elderly couple cooking a healthy, colorful meal together in a bright kitchen shows what nourishing yourself can look like. Every good choice you make feeds your joints, your energy, and your joy. You deserve to feel well. Subscribe to Daily Senior for your daily dose of vitality.